Hi, I'm Ashley Adamson. I'm walking on my new farm here in Washington. We're in the forest, or we're surrounded by forest. This is kind of like an opening area, but you can see the mountains and hills just covered in trees. And it's weird because it feels like I have this giant backyard, but it's actually a lot more. As you can see, there's also a giant greenhouse. There's two of them. That's the house down there. But yeah, I've had some trouble shooting a video for you because I think there is just too much loaded on it. Like, I just moved here from Berlin. I wanted to tell you about the farm. I wanted to share with you some stories and to create some messages. But honestly, it was too much. I actually cried because I wanted to create something for you, but I couldn't. And the more that I wanted to create it, the harder it became because I was trying to push myself against the wall, essentially. And I just ended up, I dressed up, I put on makeup. I was like, oh, I'm gonna look good for my YouTube video. And then it fell flat, nothing. I didn't want to do it. I could not do it. And so I counted that as a day to just say, you know what, that's fine, Ashley. You didn't do it, but you know, this was a step to doing it. But the next day, which is a couple days later now, I made a video. I didn't like it, so I'm shooting it again. And that's this video. But basically, what happened is I realized I can't expect perfection from myself and push myself to go the extra mile every time. And that the idea of shooting my first video here was kind of a monster. It became this big thing. And for you, I wonder if there are things in your life that are also like monsters. Like, are there things where you feel like, oh my God, to start this could be so much. This could be such a big deal. I imagine that if you're at the start of your transition, you may be thinking to yourself, like, where do you begin? Or, I really don't know if I should take hormones because that's such a big deal. Do you know what I mean? And so these are the kinds of things that we kind of get stuck on because they become monsters. Maybe there's this project that you want to write. Maybe you want to write a book. Maybe you want to do an art piece. Maybe there's something that you just want to make, but it's sitting there on the shelf, ready to go, but not ready to go. And I think this is kind of the key here for your transition or for things that seem really large, to just start. Just begin. Don't let it be perfect. Don't try to make it perfect. Just let it be whatever it wants to become and just do it. Just go for it. I'm shooting you a video. I look okay, you know, my hair is kind of raggy. It's not really well combed. I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm just shooting this, talking to you, vibing with you. Energetic connection. And that's all that matters. Yeah. Did you hear that? I said energetic connection, then crows fly by. Hell yeah. Like, that's the kind of thing is if we're seeking this perfection, if you're seeking to make it perfect or you're judging yourself on not making it good enough, that's going to really hold you back. Oh, there's a deer. Do you see it? I think I lost it. There it is. Okay, well, there's deer, plenty of deer out here. So, like, I guess the question to you is sort of like this. What could you do now? What could you take a little step with to move yourself towards something that's your big dream, something that you want to do? After this video, what could you do? What could you do to make one little step towards something that could change your life? Now, when I say that, you know, you could get a little bit of attachment to that, right? You could say, oh my God, like, this thing's gonna change my life. That makes it even scarier. But you know what? Things don't change your life if you just do them once. You have to keep doing them again and again and again and again. And this is like with taking estrogen. You take estrogen one day, it ain't going to change anything. You got to take it for years, and you're going to see a lot of change. So what can you do that's small, incremental, to get you forward on that path that you dream of, that place where you want to be, whether it's starting a dream career, transitioning, making that step to move to another city? What is it? Or just making a video, starting your YouTube channel. Why not? You just have to keep showing up if you want success. But the first step to success is taking that first step. And I'm making this video and I'm just letting it be however it wants to be. I'm just vibing with the environment. I realize that I just can't make perfect videos. I can't always look great. If I want to be honest with you and just be who I am, I just have to show up sometimes like this. No makeup, just this is me. This is my vibe right now. I'm connecting with you. That kind of stuff, So I'm going to close this with a quick little meditation. If you could close your eyes for a second, I'm going to transmit this forest over to you, and I'm going to give you some of this earth energy to go with you as you go into the rest of your day or the rest of your night. Are you ready? Close your eyes. May you go grounded into your day with the strength of the forest, with the energy of life and nature, spring. May you carry with you the strength of a forest and go out there and make those little changes for you that are really going to help you take that next step in your life. I'm Ashley Adamson. If you'd like to support me, please support me on my Patreon. Please buy my book, buy my femininity program if you are into that sort of thing. Join my Discord channel. We're a little community. It's free. We just help each other out. We hang out. We talk. I'll see you in another episode soon. Bye.